Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add videos to your Webflow website. So let's jump into it. To start with, you first want to have the Webflow dashboard open like I have here. And next you want to choose which site you want to add your videos to. So I'm just going to create a new blank template for the sake of this video. So I'm just going to choose this one here and I'll just keep the name as that and create site. So adding videos to your site is actually really simple. This is why I like Webflow a lot, because you don't really need to know any code. You can simply just drag and drop in everything you need. So to get a video, you want to click this plus icon here, which will take you to add elements. And here we can add all sorts of different elements. However, if we scroll down a bit to media, as you can see, we can add video and YouTube links here. So let's drag in a video link, and I'm also going to drag in a YouTube link and show you how to do both of them. So here we have our video link at the top. So if we just double click this, it'll bring open this down here, and it's asking for a URL and a title. And click show all settings and we can see all these things here. However, the main ones are the URL and the title. So since it's suggested a Vimeo link, I'm just going to go over here and try and find a video. So let's just say I wanted to import this one here. What I'd do is I would just right click on it and copy link address. And we can go down here, paste it in there, and then we can call it what it's called, dirt in the diamond. So it's done it automatically. And then, as you can see, it's now been added. And then when our site is live, we can click play and we'll be able to view this video in our website. And now next up's YouTube. Now this is pretty much the same thing. You just want to double click on this one as well. And you can see now it's now asking for a YouTube link. So we're going to head over to YouTube and find a link for this. So here I've just pasted in a Mr. Beast video. And it's really cool how it does the title for you. That does save you a lot of work. And what's cool with this is you can also choose where you want to start it. So if there was a certain point in the video which you wanted to showcase to the people that are going to be watching it, you could change that here. So let's say a key moment was 1 minute in, and when people were clicking on the video, we wanted them to see that part which is 1 minute into the video. So we could just change it like that, and from there it will start at 1 minute. And then there's a few more other settings. We can mute it if we want. We can enable autoplay. We can choose not to show the player controls. And there's also privacy mode, and you can limit related videos to channel. So that is exactly how you can add videos to your Webflow website. We've added both Vimeo and YouTube. So whatever site your video is actually on, you will be able to import it using this method. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to add videos to your Webflow website. If you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.